Hello children, in the last class you have done the classwork in your book, page 39. Next page, page 40. Up to this was your first term exam syllabus. This one you will do as homework. Today you will do some revision from your book. And as I told you, the syllabus, you will learn that all the topics what I have mentioned you will learn, and today we will do the revision. Open page 32, all about music. Which is the odd one out among sitar, sehnai and piano? Answer is piano. The Dash became the first band to broadcast globally on television. The answer is Beatles. The classical music of South India is called Dash music. That is Carnatic music. Next one, the classical music of North India is called Dash music. That is Hindustani music. Which instrument does Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia play? That is flute. Which is the musical dramatic play in which all the dialogues are sung known as? Answer, opera. Which instrument is Carlos Santana, the Latin American musician famous for playing? Guitar. The answer is guitar. Name the Pakistani singer who captained Team Pakistan in the popular Indian music reality show Sur Spectra. Atif Aslam. How many musicians comprise a quartet? Answer, 4. The first 4 musical notes in Indian music are sa, re, ga, ma. Next one, the Dash is traditionally associated with Scotland. Answer is bagpipe. Number 12, the kazan, tom-tom and tabla are all Dash instruments. Answer is percussion. Children, learn the spellings because you make mistakes, spelling mistakes a lot. And when you will write, please use dark pencil. In every page you write your name, section, class, subject, and please give page number. And in every page you write this. With good handwriting you write your answers. After writing all, you check what you have written, then you submit. Now come to page 31. Going filmy, we are revising. In the movie Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, what are Johnny Depp's little helpers called? Oompa Loompas. Which movie directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali is the creative adaptation of the 1962 Hollywood film The Miracle Worker? The movie is about a blind woman. The answer is Black. Number 3, starring Amir Khan and Darshil Safari. This movie depicts the story of an 8-year-old dyslexic boy. The answer is Tare Zameen Par. Children, please correct this spelling. It is T-A-A-R-E. T-A-A-R-E. Tare Zameen Par. T-A-A-R-E. Number 4. Amitabh Bachchan is generally associated with which television reality show? Kaun Banega Crorepati. The answer is Kaun Banega Crorepati. Number 5. Which actor played the character of Harry Potter in the Harry Potter movies? Answer is Daniel Radcliffe. Number 6. Which music director won the Oscar award for his music in Slumdog Millionaire? Answer is A.R. Rahman. Number 7. What would a boy do if left alone at home? Which movie shows as the same? Answer is Home Alone. Number 8. Starring Shah Rukh Khan and a team of 11 girls, this movie teaches us the importance of team spirit through the game of hockey. The answer is Chak De India. Number 9. In which movie does the owner have a white mouse as the pet? Answer is Stuart Little. Number 10. Which famous movie is about the lion cub named Simba? The answer is Lion King. So you are doing revision. Page number 31 we did today. Now you open page 26, country emblems. The national emblem is the symbol that represents a nation. A national symbol can be an animal, a tree, a flower, or an object which symbolizes the nation. Number 1, Australia. These are the countries with its emblems. Children, I can write the countries and I will tell you to write the emblems, or I will give the emblems, the names of these emblems, and you will have to write the countries. Both way it can come, so learn like that. Australia, the emblem is kangaroo. Second one is Japan. It is chrysanthemum. Number 3, Senegal, baobab tree. Number 4, UK. UK is rose. Number 5, Bangladesh, water lily. Number 6, Sri Lanka, lion. Number 7, Spain, bull. Number 8, Pakistan, crescent. Number 9, India, lion capital. Number 10, Canada, maple leaf. With the spellings you will learn this. Next come to Festivals of India, page number 18. India is a land which is rich in culture. People of many religions and backgrounds celebrate national festivals. Fill in the blanks. Dash is held at the Jagannath temple in Puri. Answer is Ratha Yatra. Puri, Odisha. Dash is held at the Jagannath temple in Puri, Odisha. Answer is Ratha Yatra. Then Dash main attraction is the snake boat race in Kerala. Answer is Onam festival. You can write Onam festival. You will have to write only the answers. So you write only the answers. Onam festival. Next, Dash is the Maharashtrian New Year. Gudi Pawa. Answer is Gudi Pawa. Next, number 4, Dash is worshipping the sun for the well-being of family members. Answer is Chhat. Number 5, Dash is a colorful occasion in Rajasthan. Answer is Gangur. Number 6, Dash is the major attraction of Ahmedabad in the month of January. Answer is Kite Festival. Number 7, Dash is the harvest festival of Assam. That is Bhogali Bihu. Number 8, Dash is celebrated with ritual dance by masked dancers in Ladakh. Answer is Hemis Gompa. Number 9, Dash is associated with the wedding day of Arjuna and Draupadi. Answer is Tarnetar Mela of Gujarat. Number 10, Dash is the harvest festival of North Punjab. Answer is Vaishakhi. Vaishakhi is the answer. So children, today we did some revisions from the book. Then some revisions we will do from the copy also. But you should learn all the short question answers from whatever the topics I gave you to learn for half yearly exam with the spellings. Till then, bye bye.